Okay. So all the things that we have learned in those 15 days will definitely help us in future. And thank you, Gule sir, and all your team for uh, providing such a great information.
Yeah, ma'am.
Session.
Actually, one thing that I thought was really good about this whole session was that we just didn't do the whole training and all. We also get to interact with the renowned speakers. So there was one very good highlight about the whole training program that we been doing for last 15 days, and that is something which is very important when it comes about the whole training thing, because again we can learn many things that are also taught in college, and again just like the sir said, that there is a difference between what we are taught in college and what is currently the requirement of the industry. So that gap has been filled, I think, for some extent. That gap has been filled with this training, and I can certainly say that I'm a bit more industry aware than what I was few days ago. So that is a very good thing. And again, experience is a very important thing. And when someone is in a particular industry for like 15 years or 10 years, so certainly they have cutting edge over others in that particular field. And when they share their experience with us, so we get very good idea about what we want to do and what we don't, what we shouldn't do. So that is a very good thing, and I would like to thank Gule sir for giving us all this very wonderful experience. So that's a very great thing in my particular academic experience. Thank you, sir.
Trupti.
Yes, ma'am.
So, any feedback from your side?
All the sessions are really very informative and beneficial for us. We get lots of information about robotics and control system. Not only that, but we learn about artificial intelligence, how to design this, how to use software while designing a robot. And thank you so much to all the team of Goods Engineering. Thank you.
Okay, Shubham Shinde. Would you like to say anything?
Yeah, ma'am. It's our Shinde. The Gmail is from my it's brother, my brother's Gmail. My Gmail just showing me some problem. That's why I'm just doing this.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. First of all, it was awesome experience, and Prajwal, might be Shruti and someone Trupti gave you all the things. But frankly speaking, ma'am, we were just expecting something robotical, practical. You will some show practical robot or something parts, वगैरह कुछ. And then detail programming we were expecting, and some bit things, but it's okay. It was good, and thank you.
Okay.
Don't think that
No, it's okay.
it's
No,
like
it is absolutely
don't
fine.
think that it is just like a cruel thing. I'm just going to oppose you. It's just frankly
No.
speaking. I know I'm just student. You know this better than me, but that's my frankly thing. Okay.
So even we were expecting to give you more practical hands-on experience, but since it was online, it would not be possible. But
No,
if it could be
I-
offline, then we could give you a little more hands-on experience. I can understand. No problem. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am, but I just feel that you just give. I know this. You just give your full best things and all the things you just have. But I just can go for YouTube or in PDL. Just got all the things just about robotics. You just give me in this 15 days. But it's just something better than that. Not going to just oppose you, but something extra I should just expect.
Yes, Shubham. Thank you so much for your
Okay.
feedback. We will surely improve.
If anything just going in a wrong way, just sorry.
No.
No problem.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay.
Yes. And it was great interacting with you all also, with such brilliant minds as you. It was great interacting with you all. And I think we have also learned a lot new things from you all as well. So, and back to the mentorship program, as I already mentioned, I don't know how many of you got what the mentorship program is. Or should I just repeat what it is?
We got it, ma'am.
It was great interacting with you all. And I think we have also learned a lot new things from you all as well. So, and back to the mentorship program, as I already mentioned, I don't know how many of you got what the mentorship program is. Or should I just repeat what it is?
We got it, ma'am.
You got it? Okay. So if you all really interested to get into the mentorship program, you can contact Arjun sir, or you could contact Birds Engineering Academy. Okay. Anyone else? For feedback? Yes, Shubham Patil.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what would you like to say?
मॅडम 15 दिवसाच्या या ट्रेनिंगमध्ये भरपूर काही शिकायला मिळालं. वेगवेगळ्या टेक्निक्स, टेक्नॉलॉजीज. तो थँक्यू मॅम.
Okay, thank you, Shubham. Aishwarya Patil. Amol Wagmare. Ankita
Everyone need
Kamkar.
to say something.
Yes, Poonam. Pranav.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what would you like to say?
This session was very informative. The overall program is very useful. We learned more about the robots. Thanks to all the team of Birds Engineering.
Okay, thank you, Poonam. Activity kind of thing. Everyone, you could just tell us what kind of career are you planning after your engineering? Just like very short, so that we get to know.
In short,
In short, just in 2 lines or some.
Ma'am, I want to do MTech in IISc in VLSI and microelectronics.
Okay, that's great. So, how are you preparing for it?
I'm preparing for GATE right now,
Okay, GATE 2021 or 2022?
2022.
Okay, that's great. All the best for your exams. That's great,
Thank-
Shruti.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, so next, Aishwarya. Yes,
My feedback.
yes.
feedback.
Please go on.
You give us a great knowledge. It was very interesting to learn, and I think now it's let's learn more deeply. So thank you, Khule sir and Birds Engineering.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Aishwarya. Thank you.
It's not feedback or something, but it's just a request. So, in previous session, you said that you have a lot of contacts and some industry people approach you regarding recommendations for the internship and all. So, sir, if that scenario comes up, please consider some of us for the internship recommendation.
Yeah. That's why only we are doing it.
Because again, after this session, like there is not a certainty that we all will come contact or will all be stay in touch for a long while. So that's just a request, because we will have the record of this entire session. That's not an issue. But again,
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
What would you like to say?
So I would like to thank Birds Engineering Academy for a very valuable training. I really enjoyed it, and I appreciate that you made it very enthusiastic by arranging sessions with some renowned speakers, and the classes were fully practical and informative. And I can definitely say that we have learned a lot about robotics, and it is definitely going to be useful for our career. So thank you, sir, for your useful guidance, and I really had a good learning experience.
Mm-hmm.   Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay.
2
Thank you.
2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2
for all of you for your excellent session. I am learn about more about robotics in this session. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. The overall session was really interesting. The thing which made us feel privileged was we got to interact with the people in the industries who have decades of experience. That was very much good thing which I feel. And not just in point of view of technical, but we also got to know various career opportunities in robotics. That's that was very much interesting and helpful also. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Rishikesh.
Hi, yes, ma'am.
Yes, what would you like to say?
All sessions are very nicely conducted and it's very useful for us. And I thanks to Birds Engineering Academy to giving us such an amazing information about robotics and all, and giving information about different tools of robotics and software. Thank you again.
Thank you, Rishikesh.
Next, Shraddha.
Yes, ma'am. The overall session of 15 days was very helpful and beneficial for us. We got so much of knowledge, and we got to know about the robots, how to design, about the mechanism. So yeah, I hopefully can use this knowledge in my further career. So thank you, Birds Engineering Academy, for this amazing opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shraddha. Yes, anyone else?
Snehal?
ये क्या क्या लगा feedback.
Yes, Ratnesh Singh.
All the sessions were very interesting. We learned something new in every session, so that was very helpful. So I would like to thank the team. Thank you, ma'am.
Rohan?
Yes, ma'am. This overall 15 days was very interesting. And as the Arjun sir told us the importance of robotics, we were unknown about that. And at this last day, we got the chance to interact with such great personalities like the Dhankar sir and that all two personalities. It was very interesting. Dhankar sir and that all two personalities. It was very interesting. Thank you.